Thirikari ikinyiririe kuga ni iheanite gukinyirira motungata kuhitukira nenda cia kiru ituri ciothe cia bururi. Minister wa ũkinyanĩria Eliud Owalo akiuga no nginyagia andu matwarane na mahinda.
This is part and parcel of the President's digital superhighway agenda, through which we want to revolutionize this country while leveraging on technology, is to undertake digital skilling of the youth. But most importantly and fundamentally, to ensure that we empower our youth through digital jobs.
We are happy the students of this institution have taken that program very well. And students came out telling us, we are learning and we are working. And that is the best you can expect from a government.
Aritie hindi ya kuruguria ceceni ya ũkinyanĩria na nenda thukuru-inĩ wa Nyandarũa National Polytechnic marĩ na gavana wa Nyandarũa Kĩarĩ Badilisha na atongoria angĩ. Maugĩte ici nĩ ceceni cigũteithĩrĩria andũ ethĩ gũtabania thũgũrĩ kũhĩtũkĩra nenda kũrĩa marahinyĩrĩria andũ ethĩ kũhĩmbĩria ithenya-inĩ rĩa gweterera kwandĩkwo mawĩra.
It is amazing the abundance of opportunities that we have on digital platforms. It is the only sustainable way as a country, as a government, through which we can keep our youth involved in gainful employment.
The way we are relating, and our core business this time is to try and fight with the employment of our youth. And I'm happy that such a program as this and many others are going to take us places.
This laboratory represents a significant milestone in our institution's journey towards embracing digital transformation and empowering our students with cutting-edge technology.
Minister Owalo augite mubango wa thirikari ni kuhingura ceceni ici ward-inĩ ciothe, akiongerera ati nginyagia riu makiria ma ceceni 180 ni ihinguritwo na guteithĩrĩria makiria ma andu ethĩ 300,000 aria mathomithĩtio kuhuthira nenda.
We have today deployed devices to a total of 185 hubs. We have deployed the devices to all the national polytechnics for a start, all the TVETs for a start.
Serikali hii ya Kenya Kwanza imeweka mambo ya talanta, mambo ya vijana kipao mbele.
This serves to prove that the program has been enthusiastically embraced by the trainees with a high level of engagement and participation observed throughout the training sessions.
Ngiribota Inooro TV kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Nyandarũa, njĩtagwo Peter Mwangi.